commands. DDL stands for data definition language. Data definition language. Here, DDL commands are create, alter, drop, truncate, and rename. Create, alter, drop, truncate, and rename. Total 5 commands are there. Create, alter, drop, truncate, and rename. We are creating the table. How to create the table? Here, what are the requirements? Here, suppose if you want to create a table, it defines each column of the table uniquely. Suppose if you want to create a table, it defines each column of the table uniquely. Each column has a minimum of 3 attributes. That is the column name, data type of size, and key constraint. Column name, data type, and size. Key constraint is optional. The example syntax is create table, table name, column name, data type of size, comma column name 2, data type of size, and so on. Column name, data type of size, and so on. Here, how to create table. Now, describing the structure, how to know the tables, how to create table. Simply says create table, table name, column name, data type of size, key constraint. Here 3 tables are there: employee 1, 2, 3, product, and sales 1. Here select star from tab. Select star from tab means to see all tables present in your login. To see all tables present in your login. Select command importance is retrieving data from the existing databases. Select star means entire column list from tab. Here we are dropping, suppose if what we are dropping these 2 tables, simple drop table, table name EMP 1, 2, 3 semicolon. Table is dropped. SEL is to select star from tab. Now we are dropping table, drop table, table name prod PR1. Prod table drop and drop table sales 1. Sales 1 table also drop. Now we are clear how to create DDL command. First command is create table. Create table syntax is create table, table name. Suppose if you want to create employee, EMP is the table name. Create table, table name, open parenthesis, column name. Column name, employee name. Employee name is the column name. Employee is the entity. Employee attributes are employee name, employee number, designation, salary, address, like this. Employee name, employee number, designation, salary, address. Suppose book is the entity, book name, author name, publication, edition, price. The book product is the entity, product name, product number, product price, product quantity, manufacture date, expiry date, like this. Here we are using employee. The employee is the table name. Create table, table name is the employee. Employee name is the column name. It is a varchar2 data type. Varchar2 data type. Varchar means it is a string data type. 20 is the column length. 20 is the column length. Employee name. Employee number is the number data type. Employee number is the number data type. We can use 3. Employee name, employee number. Designation. Designation also comes under string data type. Varchar 2. Varchar 2 of 15. 15 is the column size. Column employee name, employee number, designation. Okay. Now table is created. How many columns are there? 3 columns. Employee name, employee number, designation. Employee number, employee name, designation. Describing the structure. Describing the structure. DESC space EMP. Employee is the table name. Employee is the table name. We are describing the structure. Here name, schema means table name, column name, and data type and size. This is the schema. Schema contains table name, column name, data type and sizes. The key constraint is optional. Here key constraints are optional. Simply says key constraints are optional. Okay. Table is successfully created. Table is successfully created. Now, suppose if you want to add one more column, to the employee table, how can we add? By using alter command. Alter table name EMP. We are adding one more column. Add salary is the column name. Salary is the column name. Number of 5, 2 or 7, 2. It is a float data type. 2 means decimal values. Okay. Table is altered. Table is altered. We are adding one more column to the existing structure. Simply select DESC space EMP semicolon. Here one more column is added. Okay, suppose if you want to add another column also. ALT alter table name employee, add address data type, which comes under which data type? Varchar 2 data type 20 semicolon. Table also alter DESC space employee. One more column is added. Suppose if you want to increase in the size. Column length. Simply says we are using alter table employee modified open parenthesis add or ess address varchar 2 of 30. Now table is alter table name is employee. Now alter table name is employee. Modify the column size. Address varchar 2 of 30. Okay, suppose if you want to change the number to integer type, to string. How can? Alter table emp modify address varchar. So changing the employee number to number of 3 to integer type string data type varchar 2 of n. Table is altered. DESC space EMP semicolon. Convert into name. Employee number, sometimes your student number combination of alphabets or digits. That's why we are changing the column name and data types also. Columns, we are adding column. Suppose if you want to drop a column, alter table drop salary So alter table name emp drop sub. Table is dropped. Table is altered. DESC space EMP semicolon. DESC space EMP semicolon. Okay. Table is created, altered. Okay. Suppose you want to change the rename the table name. Simply says rename. EMP is the old table name. TO2 EMPLOY employee semicolon. Now table is renamed successfully. Rename employee TO2 EMP to employee. DESC space EMP. It's not available. That object employee does not exist. Now DESC space EMPLOY. Here employee structure is available. Employee table rename. Employee table rename successfully. Okay. This is the create table, alter table, rename the table. We are dropping table. We are dropping the table. Simply says drop. Now we are checking how many tables. This table structure table is available. Drop EMPLOYE. Drop table name. Drop table name EMPLOYE. DROP drop table name EMPLOYE. Table is successfully dropped. DESC space EMPLOYE. Object employee does not exist. Okay. Object employee does not exist. Now, suppose if you want to create same table. We are creating the table. We are inserting some records. DESC space employee. Structure is there. Okay. Table is created. We are inserting records. Insert into EMP of ename, ENO, designation. Values of employee name, the employee number 574, designation manager. Manager. One row is inserted. Insert into EMP values of record also insert. Now we are using TRUNCA to truncate table name EMP semicolon. Now select start from EMP semicolon. No rows also. My question is, what is the difference between drop table name and truncate table? Ramaraksh. My question is, what is the difference between drop table name and truncate table name? drop table name. Sweta? Hello? Karthik?
Hello, sir.
What is the difference between drop table name, truncate table name? Pravalika? Ramarakshita?
Sir,
What is the difference between drop table name, truncate table name?
sir, Puse drop entire table will be collapsed.
Drop table means dropping the
Table is deleted.
entire table is deleted. Okay. Then Ramarakshita?
Sir,
Then truncate table name means
instances will be deleted, but
structure
structure will remain.
is available. Yes. DESC space employ. Structure is available. Okay. DDL commands are total. How many commands available? Total 5 commands. DDL commands total 5 commands. One is the create, second one is the alter, third one is the rename, fourth one is the drop, and fifth one is the truncate. Create, alter, drop, truncate, and rename. These are the 5 commands. Now, we are creating product. Product is the table name. Product is the table name. Column names are Sweta. Product is the table name. Column names are
attributes.
Product is the entity, real world thing. Product is the entity. Product
Number.
number.
Product quantity.
Product quantity. Product name, product number, product quantity, product price, product manufacture date, product expiry date. Okay. Now create the table product. See here to create table, table name, product, column name, product properties are
Product number.
Product number comes under which data type? Product number.
Integers.
Integer type. Number of
Size.
Number of 3 is the size here. Number of 3. Okay. Product name comes under which data type?
Varchar.
String data type comes under varchar. Varchar 2 of product name 10. Product number, product name. Manufacture date comes under which data type? Manufacture date data type. Okay. Expiry date comes under which data type? Date data type. From product number, product name, manufacture date, expiry date. Okay. Close parenthesis, semicolon. Now table is created. Then describing the structure, DESC space, product, semicolon. Describing the structure, product space, semicolon. Total how many columns are there? Total 4 columns are there. 4 columns. Number, varchar to date, these are the data types. Number, varchar to date, these are the data types. 3, 10, these are the sizes, column sizes. Okay. Suppose if you want to add one more column to product table. Suppose we are adding one more column to product table. Simply by using alter command. Alter table name, product, We are adding the product name, product number, name, manufacturer, expedited.
Product quantity.
Product price. Price is there. Product price. The product price comes under which data type? Product price comes under which data type?
Number type. Number types.
Float data type. Is a float data type. Okay. Now we are mentioning number of 7, 2. Float definition. Integer definition: an integer is a signed or unsigned finite sequence of digits with decimal without decimal forms. Called integer. With decimal forms is called float.
Float.
So, okay, price number of 7, 2. 2 means 2 decimal points. Okay, 2 means 2 decimal points. Okay, table altered successfully. Now, describing the structure, PESC, PRO, DEC, products in describing the structure. Now, product number size is increased 3 to 10. Product number size is column size. We are increasing the column size. Simply says or alter, table, modify. Alter table name, product, modify, alter table, product, modify, open parenthesis, product number of 10. Table altered successfully. Table altered successfully. Describing the structure. DESC space. PRO, DUC, product, semicolon. Okay, here size is modified, size is updated. Some scenarios, product number, it is a combination of string values also. Your register, your student number is a combination of string, alphabets and digits. Is it clear? Your number 19 G2 G21 19 G21 A0575. 577. It is a combination of alphabets and digits. Okay, then change the data type. Number to integer number data type to varchar 2 data type. Integer type to string data type. Simply says alter table name product, modify product number of product number. We are changing the one data type to another data type. Varchar 2 of 10. Table altered successfully. DESC space product. DESC space product. Data type is changed. Data type is successfully changed. Okay. Now we are dropping the manufacture date. How can we drop? By using alter command. Alter table name drop of m date. We are dropping manufacture date. Enter. Table is a drop. DESC space product. DESC space product. 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 DESC space PRODUCT. Here manufacture date is dropped. Here manufacture date is dropped. Okay. Then change the product name to prod date by using rename command. Rename PRODUCT product to prod semicolon. We have changed the rename successfully. Now DESC space PRODUCT. Object product does not exist. DESC space prod. Structure is available. Rename command is rename. Table is successfully renamed. The rename part is over. Okay. Suppose if you want to delete the entire table. Suppose if you want to delete the entire table. Combination of columns and records also. That time we are simply deleting. Drop table name PROD. Table drop. Okay. Then one more command is there, truncate. Truncate table name. Here in this environment, we are dropping the records only, but structure is available. Here structure is available. Only drop records only. Only drop records only. Total, how many commands are discussed? Total 5.
5.
What are those? Create, alter, drop, truncate, and rename. Create, alter, drop, truncate, and rename. Create command, alter command, drop command, and rename command. Okay. Here, create command syntax is create command. It is used to create tables. Database contains collection of tables. In this environment, we are using DDL commands. DDL stands for data definition language. We are creating the table. Create table, table name. Create table, table name. We are creating the table. It defines each column. The table. Okay, each column has minimum attributes. Minimum 3 attributes: name, data type, and size. Key constraints are optional. Create table, table name, column name, data type of size, and so on. Like this. This is the create table syntax. Create table syntax is create table, table name, column name, data type of size, key constraint. Key constraint is optional. Okay. And here modifying the structure. Modifying the structure. Suppose if you want to add new columns, simply says alter table, table name, add column name, data type of size. Alter table. Suppose if you want to add one more column to the existing table. Alter table, table name, add open parenthesis, column name, data type of size. Okay. So dropping a column from a table. Dropping a column from a table. Simple. Alter table, table name, drop column salary. We are dropping the employee table, salary column in employee table. Modifying existing column. Suppose if you want to modify the existing column, alter table, table name, modify column name, new data type and size. Alter table, employee, modify employee name, varchar 2 of 15. Or suppose if you want to increasing the column size also, simply change here. Size is mentioned 15 to 30. We are simply updated. This is the other one, rename. Rename syntax is rename old table name to new table name. Rename old table name to new table name. Example, rename EMP to EMP1. Rename EMP to EMP1. And then truncating the tables. Simply says truncate table, table name. Truncate table, table name. We are destroying the tables. Destroying the tables. In this environment, we are using drop table, table name.